Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your full text conversation into a print-ready PDF. No computer, no cable, all on your iPhone. Here's how in about 2 minutes. First, grab TextPort free from the App Store. Open TextPort, tap on Add Chat, and select on your phone. Next, start a screen recording. This is how TextPort captures the conversation. Now open your messages. This works in iMessage, WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever you use. Scroll through the conversation at a normal pace. Now head back to TextPort, stop the recording. You can trim the conversation if you need to, and tap on Start Processing. TextPort reads every frame, pulling out each message with the sender and timestamp in the right order. After a few minutes, your conversation is ready. Tap on Export and pick your format. PDF gives you a clean, paginated document. That is what you want for court, your attorney, or printing. Need to filter or sort messages? Use spreadsheets. It opens straight in Excel or Google Sheets. There's also a plain text version if you just want to copy the text. Your file is saved right on your phone. Share it, email it, or print it. That's it. Link to download TextPort in the description.